Welcome back to my channel. Domenico Solazio here, and I'm back. I was away for almost like half a year last year. It's been a tough year. It's been tough for me, it's been tough for everyone. We know what happened last year. And I had so many plans. I wanted to create like more content. I wanted to get like a great job. I had like some side project plan that I wanted to finish. Something went well, something I could not accomplish. And I work with discipline, hard work, but I have to be honest. Sometimes I was just like not feeling it. I have felt down. You can give the fault to the tough year, to the pandemic, to my job situation, to whatever you want, but in the end I just was not fully committed to what I wanted to do, and in the end it's all on me. So I recharged last year. I think it was like good to be like away for sometimes from social media. I was like not really pushing so much content on YouTube. Almost zero video for the last 5 months. But I'm back and I'm going to move forward with my dreams, what I want to accomplish, my life. I'm really fully committed now. I'm really feeling it, and I want to create like more content for you, because if I'm here it's because of you, because of your support. During this tough year I could understand my path, and for you I will be here creating content, giving value to you. Thank you to be here. Thank you for your support, and let's make this 2021 a fantastic year.